Oh yeah, I've just put this one here, but look at the next one. How cool does that look? And also the one after that is cool as well. Ah, yeah. What they must have done here was, in the old days, they must have put the, oh, I don't know. I like the way they done that though. The back of the issue actually had a piece of artwork on it. But today we're looking at this one, which is issue number 3 of the ImagineFX magazine, and Dave the Dragon is with us. So let's go and have a look at this one. So last week we looked at this one, which was issue number 2, and before that issue number 1. So we're actually looking at the very first year's worth of ImagineFX magazines, which was 2006. But this one is issue number 3 for April 2006. So let's have a look at the cover. What do we think? So what I'm noticing is we've got 3 females, and I likes me females, but I still say this one's my favourite so far. Because I think, for me, that resonates more with my sort of what I like, because she's a bit, you're not sure if she's evil or not, and I like that. So she's my favourite one so far, but this one's cool. I especially like that we get the artwork on the back of the cover. I think that's cool. So David Dragon's going to let us in. Dun dun dun! This is the DVD, because they used to do DVDs back in the old days, which I miss that. But this one here is made by Aly Fell. Cool character. I like the hair, because look, her hair looks a bit sort of almost looks a little bit sort of robotic or something, as if it's made of like wires. She's quite, I like that. Here's our little editor Rob. Wonder what he's doing nowadays. Dun dun dun! So this is what we've got coming up on this one. Painting satin gloves. That'd be cool. I like the angle of that. That's quite cool, isn't it? Yay, FX Pose. How beautiful is that, look? I like that. Dragon, look. Yay! These are brilliant. I like this one. A little bit of playfulness in it as well. Yeah, these are nice, these are. Look, little ears. Is that the Iron Man? Take the giant leap. Ever since the commercial fantasy illustration of book online, thought it did, but it's scary, isn't it, when you've got to take a leap. Beastly behaviour. Letters. Light to his darkness. Here's the events. I wonder if they're going to do any sketches in this one. I feel like I've seen that. I watched so many anime back in the old days. A lot of them they all blend into each other. This is the artist's Q&A, which is something they dropped. What's the best way to make a stone texture in Photoshop? These are nice. Oh, I love the pose on that one. Beautiful little pose. Linda, how would you say that? Linda Toys. Oh, I like her. That's a nice pose, that one, because It's quite simple, but you can feel the shifting of the weight. That's nice as well, look. Henning Ludvigsen. Again, he doesn't look like an artist to me. He looks like a sort of a movie star or something. Jim Burns. Mr. Burns. Cool. They're a little bit like Boris Vallejo. Artist portfolio of Gary Tonge. I love the angle of that one. That's cool. I like this one. Now, I'm not normally into my environments, but these are cool. I could imagine walking through these scenes. FX pose. Oh, beautiful. That's got a hint of Louis Royo about it, that one. See, I would take the man out of that. That's cool. In the workshops. This is what's on the DVD. DVD. Put himself into it, look. Turned himself into a some sort of a what do you call that? Something out of Skyrim. Create a fantasy woodland. Little fairies. I like fairies. Magic mushrooms as well. Painting satin gloves. Oh, look at her fingers. Can you see her fingers? Look, her nails are part of her finger. How cool is that? I also really like the texture of her little outfit there. Of the lace. Colouring comic art. Ah, they've done like a 3-part thing over the last few issues. Because last time they showed you how to ink this one. Now they're showing you how to colour it. Wacom Wizardry. Ah, that'd be cool. Again, this would be good for article on the podcast. Talking about like the eraser. How to create a manga page. That's quite cool as well. Fairy tale illustration. It's a shame that they've put that right in the middle. You can't quite see the little character. I like that. It's Red Riding Hood, isn't it? With the wolf. Beautiful, isn't she? How beautiful is that advert there, look. And this one, I love this one. This is beautiful. Jason Chang. Create antique sketches. Oh cool, they're going to show you how to do it digitally, look. Reviews. I like that. Especially like her outfit. Very cool outfit. There's that little fairy, look. On the mushroom. Mouse pen. Weird. I got that one, Exotique. Beautiful book that. 5 out of 5 they give it. I wonder if Ballistic Publishing is part of the same company as Future Publishing or something. Techniques of Feng Zhui. Harry Potter. Never got into Harry Potter. Ninja Scroll. I had that on DVD and I never watched it. And then we got our little comic at the end. I like comics. Bing! Well, that was it, that was issue number 3. Another cool issue. I've been really impressed with the quality of these magazines, considering it's the first year. Oh, you got a bit of slipperiness on that one. Yeah, and this one. There's a bit of slipperiness on the text. See, I love it when they do things like that. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Issue number 3 of the ImagineFX magazine. Next week we're looking at this one. I can't wait for that one. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you later for another one.